Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove the minimum purchase limit on Temu using the latest working method in 2025. So step 1, open the Temu app and log into your account. Step 2, add the desired items to your cart. If your order doesn't meet the required minimum, you will see a notice preventing the checkout. Step 3. To bypass the minimum, you can try combining smaller items until the cart hits the minimum threshold, which is often 100 pesos or $10. And then, remove the unwanted items during the checkout. In some cases, Temu still allows processing if the threshold was momentarily met. Step 4. You can use promo codes. Some coupon codes reduce or eliminate the minimum required purchase. You can look for codes on Temu's homepage or email newsletters. Step 5. Use Temu Web instead of the app. Some users report that the browser version has a slightly lower threshold or fewer restrictions. Step 6. If the limit still applies, you can contact Temu's customer support via the chat and ask if a manual override can be applied. They occasionally make exceptions for long-time users. Now, you know how to handle or remove Temu's minimum purchase limit and check out smoothly. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.